Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel, and we have another Brick and Clix video. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from Shopee, one of the online marketplaces here in the Philippines. And this should contain some X-Men bricks. Okay, not talking about booster bricks, but Lego bricks. Okay, so these are uh, purchases I did in relation to the Deadpool Weapon X video. Okay, so you can see here, this is a zombie Deadpool. Okay, we also have here, I think this is Massacre. Okay, we're not gonna build all of them today. We're just gonna look at some and then build a couple. Okay, so this one I think is a Deadpool. Okay, this is the good guy Deadpool. Okay, with the golden, what you call this, the beretta, and a dog pool. Okay, and we have here Lady Deadpool, I think. Okay, and we have Patch Wolverine. Okay. Then we have a zombie Wolverine. Okay, then we have here Cassandra Nova. Okay, and you can see the portal here as well. And probably we can build this one. This is a new character, at least for my minifigure collection. Okay, so this is not, I wouldn't say unclicks, but this has not been in bricks form until this time. Okay, so of course, if you've watched the Deadpool and Wolverine movie, you would know that Cassandra Nova is one of the main antagonists in the film, the ruler of the, what do you call that place? The place at the end of time. Okay, and yeah, you can see there's an alternate head here for Cassandra Nova. We'll just skip the quiet mouth, and this is the portal. So this is just like Doctor Strange. Okay, so there you go. Oops. Okay, there you go. Portal with Cassandra Nova. Okay, so we'll put her on the side for now. So definitely a good haul. And the last item, and what we're going to look at closely in terms of Heroclix, is the Deadpool Wolverine or Wolverinepool. Okay, so let's try to build it first. Let's put the claws in. Okay, I used to really be a heavy collector of minifigures. Okay, but of course, when I found out about Heroclix, okay, I changed hobbies to Heroclix. But once in a while, especially for X-Men related minifigures, I still get some. Okay, and this one is a must-have because it's an amalgam of Deadpool and Wolverine. Okay, let's see. A bit hard to make though. Okay, especially since we have huge fingers. Okay, connecting these small pieces can be a challenge, but we're almost there. Okay. Our last step would be to put on the mask. Okay, so we have here in brick form Wolverine Deadpool, Deadpool Wolverine, Wolverinepool. Okay. Okay, I think it's decent. Okay, this is just class A, so it's fine, meaning for collection purposes. Okay, But we have to, of course, look at a Heroclix figure. And as I said, we're going to look at Wolverinepool. Okay, so you can compare the brick. Okay, so longer claws than usual because it was really meant to be katana claws. Okay, so let's take a look at Wolverinepool. This is one of the misprinted figures. You can see he is just a super rare, but on the base he is a chase. So Wolverinepool has the Deadpool core, Weapon X assassin keywords, and a trait. Oversized katana claws, giant reach 4, blades claws, fang. And then he has improved targeting barrier, but only when Wolverinepool makes a close attack. Which again, that's what he usually makes because he has 0 range. When Wolverine makes a close attack using giant reach, after resolutions destroy all blocking terrain, he drew a line of fire through. Okay, so effectively making it like destroy, improve targeting, destroy blocking terrain. Okay, but instead of just one blocking terrain, all blocking terrains he drew line of fire through. Okay, so surprising your enemies by targeting them through blocking terrains, multiple blocking terrains if ever. A second trait is brutal off-panel violence. When Wolverinepool rolls a critical hit against a single target, roll a d6 and increase the damage dealt by the result instead of increasing the damage dealt by +1. Okay, so you can really have wild possibilities here. Okay, like when you roll a 6, then that means he deals for Blades Claws Fangs. Okay, if you decide to go Blades Claws Fangs and again roll a critical hit, he can possibly do 12 damage. Okay, wow, and that's really again wow. Okay, so special movement at the first 3 clicks on the 70-point line is all about best there is, snicked, charge flurry. Okay, always a characteristic for Wolverine, and a special defense power at the last click, which is a stop click, black belch, super senses, and toughness. Okay, real name though is Wade Wilson. Deadpool kills Deadpool number 3 is a significant appearance. So yeah, for either 75 or 50 points, this is really a good figure. I'll probably be using it at 75 points just to get that Charge Flurry. Okay, and it's no laughing matter to have 18 combat reflexes nowadays. Okay, so this effectively gives him 5 movement plus 4 giant reach, 9 reach for that charge flurry attack. Okay, so probably need a TK piece so that he can have longer reach. Okay, so that's it for our video. What do you guys think? Okay, so who among the bricks that we have here you love the most? Okay, so mine is definitely Wolverinepool. And until the next video, bye bye.